Good morning, guys. It's H, what's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work this morning. Looks like it's pretty cool. But I have to work this morning, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Guys, look, I have to fix my bed because it's broken. Guys, my bed's broken. Good morning, actually good afternoon, guys. I'm just got up from my nap. I'm tired. Was tired. Just grabbing something. I'm just going to a campfire at my friend's house. That's awesome and exciting. So that is amazing that we get to come over. So talk to you guys later. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. So goodbye.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Make sure to check out some more videos of mine right over there. And, oh, you didn't hit the like button yet? How could you? How dare you? Thanks for watching. Bye!